Other people probably won't tell you this, but you stink and you probably need a shower. Hey guys, welcome to Grooming Advice. If you're new here, I'm Bear Clark. Don't forget to hit subscribe for new videos every single week. All joking aside, we all need to shower. We all need to keep clean. Shower gels, a lot of shower gels are, I would say, directly marketed for women, generally speaking. So a lot of them tend to be quite florally and not the sort of have the sort of scents that most of us guys would like to wash with. So we tend to look for things that you know, pepper and tobacco and sandalwood and those sort of fragrances in our body washes. In actual fact, it doesn't matter a damn, because it's not going to leave a scent on you. You're not going to smell of it coming out of the shower. So, I mean, my go-to for showering is the Ren shower gels, which are absolutely fabulous, ridiculously expensive, but they're so gorgeous. They've got a lovely fragrance to them. But as soon as you wash it out and step out of the shower, you've got zero smell. So it doesn't really matter. But that saying, a lot of guys want to have their own wash. So to begin with, you could go away and look for a wash which is quite has that sort of ginseng pepper thing. So I found this on Amazon, which is the Baylis and Harding of England refreshing black pepper and ginseng shower gel. So nice dark package, silver top, silver wording, looks quite manly, doesn't it? Sort of thing you could put on your shelf and not be worried if a girl turned up and used your bathroom unexpectedly. So I bought this and I can't stand the stuff. It comes out like a jelly for a start. So it is gel, but rather than a gel, it comes out like a jelly, and it comes out as a slimy jelly. So to give you an example, if you go in the shower, I tip this out, you know, squirt some out onto my hand. It slides off and goes straight down the sink. If you put some in your hand to try and lather it up, chances are most of it will slip off. If you put some in and you start to rub it on your body, again, it will just slides off. So it feels naff to use. I can't smell pepper in there. I can't smell ginseng in there. It doesn't feel refreshing to use. It is cheap. I don't like it. Unfortunately, I bought a pack of 3 of these on Amazon, so I kind of feel like I should use them, but I know me and I know I don't like it, so I know that when my wife's not looking, I'm just going to get them and chuck them in the bin and pretend I used them all. But yeah, their hand washes, Baylis and Harding got their hand washes in, you know, bathrooms around the house. It's nice. It's very nice. You know, they do a grapefruit one, I think it is, which is really, really nice. But if you're looking for a shower gel, if you're looking for a fairly cheap brand, have a look at this and walk on by. Sorry, don't like it. So what do you guys use in the shower? Do you use Baylis and Harding? Have you tried something else? Are you using one of the men's only ones, or do you nick your girlfriend's or wife's one? Let me know in the comment section below. So I hope you found the video interesting. I've been Bear Clark, you've been amazing, I'll see you again real soon.